And welcome back. It's time for this week's Capitol Report with Pat McGuigan of CapitolBeatOK.com. Pat, this past week you reported on Leadership Oklahoma City's presentation of its annual Paragon Award to former Governor David Walters. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yes, Walters was recognized for his work as president of the board of directors at the Santa Fe Family Life Center, a charitable organization based around that facility at 63rd and Santa Fe. It's part of the outreach at the Knights of Columbus in Oklahoma, and in the interest of disclosure, that's the arena in which he and I have worked together closely for the last 5 years. The award is a very prestigious one. The cash portion of his award he's donating directly to our efforts to make the facility more user-friendly for the handicapped than the ramp and a couple of other things we already have. So I salute him for that. The thousands of people pass through this facility every year, including a number of young people who might not otherwise get to participate in competitive sports activities. So I salute him for that work, which he has really helped to build. Also, the JFK Award is held every couple of years, recognizing an Oklahoman who's engaged in distinguished public service. And I'd say that's describing Walter's career. Itself. The Columbus Corporation, which is kind of an offshoot of the Knights of Columbus, he's really taken us to a better and stronger place. I salute him and appreciate all of the work he's done to help thousands of people, thousands of Oklahomans he'll never even know.
It's a very nice tribute for him. Now, this past week, we saw the governor do the ceremonial signings for many, many bills, included two significant health care reforms that you've covered. Give us a thumbnail on those. Yeah,
just real quickly, the right to try measure. You might remember a few weeks ago we talked about Rob Standridge, a Republican from Norman in the Senate, and Richard Morissette from Oklahoma City, a Democrat, collaborated on this effort, which was to ease the process by which investigational medicines, experimental medicines in the early stages of FDA approval that have gone past the preliminary stages can be utilized when a doctor believes that's best for their patient. This is a very creative public policy development. It's been advocated by the Goldwater Institute out of Arizona. It was truly bipartisan, passed with strong, in fact, overwhelming support, and both gentlemen that pushed so hard on it deserve credit, as well as the governor for signing it. Secondly, the other one was State Representative Marion Cooksey to encourage the use of proton therapy, which has been approved by the FDA since the late 1980s, but for a variety of reasons seems to have problems in the insurance and other healthcare processes at times. To advocate that, she pressed this legislation. It passed. It was a beautiful tableau photograph of all the advocates of it, as well as people that have benefited from the relatively less invasive approach that proton therapy brings. The two of these put together, frankly, put Oklahoma in kind of a unique leading edge position on an important part of healthcare policy. So it's good news.
You can read more about these and other topics at CapitolBeatOK.com. For Pat McGuigan, I'm Alex Cameron. Have a great day.